Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect Hellobar to your Shopify newsletter. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify account and then go to your Shopify admin page. From here, you can set up your store and configure your settings, manage your business. You can also install Hellobar. So on the admin page, select online store button, and under the heading sales channel on the left hand menu, now click on the select themes option. After clicking on themes button, here you will just click actions, and after clicking on actions button, click on the edit code option. Now the code editor will show a directory of theme files on the left side and a space to view and edit the files on the right. Now you will select theme.liquid under layout option, and from here scroll down to the bottom of the theme.liquid file and locate the closing body tag. Now you have to insert your hello barcode above the closing body tag like shown below. Now you will scroll back to the top and click on the save button. So hello bar should now be installed. Please note that it may take a couple of minutes for us to detect your installation. Also, please note that you must be on a paid Shopify account in order for this to work. If you are still on a free trial but have not yet entered your edit credit card, you will need to enter a credit card and continue your free trial. So that's how you can connect Hellobar to Shopify newsletter. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.